And make una welcome back. Oh, now me, I don't come again. Wetin I carry come today no plenty at all. Na just one small thing now to make a spicy big sauce. And na the recipe I can carry give you. So if you don't see am, if your mouth don dey water on top this beef sauce, and now I carry come give you. Na something wey you suppose do, wey you suppose sabi do am well. And to make spicy big sauce the proper way, wey be say na out of the kitchen within the subsequent couple of minutes, na you go take do this kind thing. And you don dey wonder say how to cook the dinner spicy big sauce, or how to just put am, or how to put together the spicy beef sauce. Make una no worry, make una not too worry at all. Make una just get in here for this spicy beef sauce and the recipe. This one is step-by-step information. I no go talk too much on top this matter. The ingredients wey you need for this kind thing be 2 paprika pepper. Paprika pepper na tatashe. Make you come carry 1 onion wey you knack and join, and make you come carry 6 items of cooked beef. Abi the beef wey you take say you wan use on top for this beef sauce. And another thing wey you need be say if you need your seasoning cube, any seasoning cube wey you take dey use for your house, wey you take use cook your soup. Another thing wey you need be say you need tablespoon of coconut oil. If you no get coconut oil, abeg you fit use your vegetable oil. Any oil na oil, you go do am well. And another thing be 4 tablespoons of chilli flakes. And another thing be tablespoon of beef inventory. Abeg make una no go add another thing. We're gonna quickly move into how we go take cook this spicy beef sauce. And the thing wey we go first do be say we go carry the paprika pepper and onion, we go put am for our blender. We go come blend am roughly. No go allow the pepper blend too much, and we say you go dey sharp. Yoruba people dey call am say oh my well, you go wear the ata, and na so the thing go be. You go come place a piece of over excessive warm, abi your fry pan. You know your fry pan, abi your pot wey you want to use am. You go add oil. After adding the oil, you go come add the chopped meat wey you don chop. You go come fry am till the meat come brown. After you fry am, then you go come add roughly chopped onion. You go come still put onion wey you don chop. So you know say you don put onion for that paprika wey you, for that rodo tatashe wey you use. So you go come add small onion on top the fish, on top inside that oil wey you dey fry. And after that one, you go fry am for about 2 minutes. You go come add your seasoning cube. Maybe say if you get soya spice, if you add am, we can give you that aroma. So you go come continue to fry am for about 7 minutes. After that, you go sear am. So after the time don elapse, wetin you go do be say you go come add the meat inventory. The meat inventory, my people, and the chili flakes. At this level, make una just decrease the light. Abi the fire wey dey under am, make una just reduce am. Be say the thing go just steam. Na only that thing you need. So you go just allow am simmer for small time, maybe like for small minutes, maybe 3 minutes or so. You come off am. Abeg my people, now just carry on. Go enjoy your spice beef sauce. Make una don't forget me over, I don't do am. Make una let me know how the thing take be for una side.